Okay, so let's look at a common mistake that some people make with said versus told. So said cannot be followed by a subject, unlike tell. So he said that. He makes sense. But I'm not going to say he said me that. Very similar. He said I that. He said I that. It is he said that I. He said that he. He said that he. He said that we. He said that we went to the shop. He told me that we went to the shop. But look, even told, he told that, ... We need a subject here. He told me. Yeah, he told me. He told him. We need a subject here. He told her. We have him and he. He told him that he went to the shop. But we're not going to have it here with said. He said me. He said him that. He said him that. Doesn't make sense. He said that he went to the shop. Not he said him that went to the shop. So be conscious of that. It'll be he told me that he went to the shop. He said that he would be 5 minutes. He said that he would be 5 minutes. He told me he was going to the shop. Yeah, he said her. Does make sense either. Her? No. Him? Her? No. He said we that. He said we that. Doesn't make sense either. We? No. We? No. He said that we. He said that he. He said that she. She told me that they were going to the shop. He told him. Makes sense. He told, not she. No, not she. Yeah, her. Yeah. So the idea is, be careful with using said and told, because the pronoun after it is modified. So if we have told, we can use he, that, he, she, he told me, he told me, they, no, he told them, he told them, he told it, he said it, said it. He said that it, he said that she, he said that we, he said that he, we, he said that they, he said that it, he said that we, he, she, me, he said that I, he said that I, he told me, he told us, he said us, yeah, us, just us, very good, us, yeah. So be conscious which pronoun you'll use after said and told. Told, he, she, me, them, us. Said, it, she, we, they, he. He said. Said he. Said they said, and beyond. Yeah. So he said that he went to the shop. He told me that he went to the shop. Very interesting. Very subtle difference, worth understanding. The pronoun is different between said and told. Okay, let's keep going.